Please subscribe and like with comment my channel. Woodpeckers are remarkable birds known for their distinct drumming behavior and unique adaptations. Here are some interesting facts about woodpeckers. Drumming: woodpeckers peck on wood to communicate, attract mates, establish territory, and find food. This drumming behavior can create loud and distinctive sounds. Adaptations: their specialized anatomy includes a strong, chisel-shaped beak, stiff tail feathers, and a specially adapted skull to absorb the shock of pecking. Tongue: woodpeckers have a long, barbed tongue that helps them extract insects from crevices in trees. Some species have tongues that wrap around their skull inside their head. Habitat: they live in various habitats worldwide, from forests to deserts, and can be found on every continent except Australia and Antarctica. Nesting: woodpeckers carve out nest cavities in trees, using their beaks. These cavities are often reused by other bird species after the woodpeckers are done with them. Species diversity: there are over 180 species of woodpeckers, varying in size, color, and behavior. Some well-known species include the pileated woodpecker, downy woodpecker, and acorn woodpecker. Feeding: they primarily feed on insects, but their diet can also include tree sap, fruits, and nuts. They are skilled at excavating wood to find their prey. Conservation: habitat loss, deforestation, and climate change are among the threats affecting woodpecker populations, leading to some species being at risk. Woodpeckers play crucial roles in their ecosystems by controlling insect populations, creating nest sites that other species use, and contributing to the balance of various forested habitats. Certainly. Here are some additional intriguing facts about woodpeckers. Unique flight: woodpeckers have a distinctive flight pattern characterized by undulating or bounding flight. This movement involves a series of rapid flaps followed by gliding. Communication: beyond drumming, woodpeckers also communicate through various vocalizations, including calls, rattles, and chatters, which serve different purposes such as warning calls or attracting mates. Territorial behavior: they are known for defending their territory fiercely. The drumming and vocalizations often serve as territorial signals to other woodpeckers. Strong feet: woodpeckers have strong and zygodactyl feet, 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward, which aid in gripping and climbing tree trunks and branches. Social behavior: some woodpecker species exhibit social behaviors, foraging together or forming loose groups outside the breeding season. Breeding and reproduction: mating rituals often involve displays and courtship behavior, and woodpeckers are generally monogamous during the breeding season. Size and diversity: woodpecker species vary significantly in size, ranging from the tiny lesser spotted woodpecker, around 5 inches long, to the large imperial woodpecker, which could reach 2 feet in length. Cavity ecosystem ***. Their excavation of cavities benefits a wide range of other species, providing nesting sites for birds and shelter for various mammals. Woodpeckers' intriguing behaviors and unique adaptations have made them subjects of fascination and study for ornithologists and nature enthusiasts alike. Certainly, here are a few more interesting facts about woodpeckers. Brain protection: woodpeckers have a remarkable ability to protect their brains while drumming. Special adaptations, like a spongy bone structure and cartilage around the skull, act as shock absorbers to prevent brain injury. Migration: while some woodpecker species are sedentary, others undertake seasonal migrations. These movements are often related to food availability and breeding. Feather coloration: woodpeckers exhibit various colors and patterns in their plumage, with many species having striking black, white, and red markings on their bodies, which can aid in species identification and mate attraction. Tool use: some woodpeckers are known to use tools, such as bark chips or twigs, to extract insects from trees, showcasing their problem-solving abilities. Hybridization: in certain cases, woodpecker species interbreed, leading to hybrid offspring. This phenomenon occurs between closely related species, primarily in regions where their ranges overlap. Molt and feather maintenance: like many bird species, woodpeckers undergo molting to replace old feathers with new ones, ensuring they maintain their ability to fly efficiently. Relationship with humans. Woodpeckers sometimes create disturbances by pecking on houses or buildings, attracted by the sound reverberation, insects, or territorial behavior. This interaction leads to various deterrent methods to prevent damage. Symbolism and folklore. In several cultures, woodpeckers are associated with symbolism related to rhythm, communication, protection, and even spiritual significance. The diverse behaviors, adaptations, and ecological roles of woodpeckers continue to intrigue researchers and bird enthusiasts worldwide. Certainly. Here are a few additional fascinating facts about woodpeckers. Winter survival. To survive colder months, woodpeckers adapt by storing food and adjusting their foraging behavior, often feeding on nuts and seeds they've cached earlier. Nesting sites. Woodpeckers don't just create nest cavities for breeding, they sometimes excavate multiple holes in search of food or as a trial before deciding on the final nest site. Aggression and defense. While primarily territorial against other woodpeckers, they can also exhibit aggression towards other bird species that attempt to use their created nest cavities. Fossil. Please don't forget to subscribe and like with comment my channel. Predator defense. Their distinct colors, drumming behavior, and the ability to swiftly move through the trees aid in defense against potential predators. Physiological specializations. Woodpeckers have specialized feet with sharp claws and stiff tail feathers, enabling them to cling to vertical surfaces and move around trees efficiently.